Good morning, students. Today's topic is operations on decimal fractions. What is meant by operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are called fundamental operations. In this session, we learn how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimal fractions. Before going into this, let us recall place values in decimal system. The left part of the decimal point is called whole part or integral part. The right part is called decimal part. The first left one digit is known as ones place. The next left one is tens place. The next left one is hundreds place. Next one thousands place. Next one 10,000s place, and so on. The first right digit of the decimal point is called tenths place. That means 1 by 10. Next right one is hundredths place. That means 1 by 100. Next right one is thousandth place. That means 1 by 1000. Next right one is 10,000th place. That means 1 by 10,000. So and so on. Now, in the question, expand 12.34. Here, 12 is called whole part or integral part. 34 is called decimal part. Now, in 12.34, 1 is in tens place, 2 is in units place, 3 is in tenth place, and 4 is in hundredth place. So, it can be expanded as 1 into 10 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100. One more question. Expand 456.321. That is 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 plus 3 into 1 by 10 plus 2 into 1 by 100 plus 1 into 1 by 1000. Now, how to add or subtract decimal fractions? Very simple. Follow the rules. What are the rules? Find the decimals first, line up the decimals, fill the empty places with zeros, then add or subtract. That's easy. Now come to the question. The question is 0.32 plus 12.965 plus 1.1. Now line up the decimals. Observe carefully. All decimal points should be in one line and put empty places, zeros. Now simply add. Now bring down that decimal point as it is. So its answer is 14.385. That's all. Very simple. Once again, line up the decimal point and simply add. Bring that decimal point in the same line. That's all. Subtraction also the same procedure. Here a question is given 10.6 minus 1.75. Line up the decimals and put zeros at empty places. Then simply subtract and drop down the decimal. That's all. Now observe this. How not to add decimals? Look here. Here decimal points are not in the line, same line. So we should not do like this. we can do like this. One more example. Observe here. The same thing. Now, how to multiply the decimal fractions? It is also very easy. Multiply like whole numbers, that's all. Count decimal places in the problem. Put the same number of places behind the decimal in the product. That's all. Look at the example. 2.34 into 1.2. In 2.34, we have two decimal places. In 1.2, we have one decimal place. Total number of decimal places are 3. Now multiply without considering point. The answer is 2808. Now we want 3 decimal places. So put the decimal point behind 3 digits. That's all. So answer becomes 2.808. The procedure is very simple. Some more examples are given here. Observe the examples, pause the video and practice it. The table is also given for multiplication. Observe here. 0.003. How many decimals are here? 3. 0.008. Here also 3 decimals. Now by multiplication we get 3 plus 3. 6 decimals. 3 into 8 is 24. We want 6 decimals. So put zeros. How many zeros are here? 4 zeros. So 24 behind 4 zeros. Now put the decimal point. So it became 6 decimals. Okay. In the same way, you can solve this table. Now, how to divide? Before going into division, just observe here. 47 by 10 is equals to 4.7. In the denominator, we have 1 0. So, put decimal point behind one digit. One more question. 156 by 100. How many zeros are here? Yes, 2 zeros. So, put decimal point behind 2 digits. So, it become 1.56. Similarly, 3524 by 1000. How many zeros are here? 3 zeros. So, where to put the decimal point? Behind 3 digits. So, it become 3.524. In the same way, now come to division. How to divide it? Convert the decimal numbers into fractions. For example, 67.85. It is 6785 by 100. 2.5. It is nothing but 25 by 10. Now, observe the question. 67.85 by 2.5. It becomes 6785 by 100 by 25 by 10. Fraction by fraction. It is nothing but numerator into reciprocation of the denominator, and simplify it and perform long division after simplification. Then you will get the answer. Dear students, now you learnt the procedure, but practice is must. What our favorite hero Bruce Lee said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. This is by Bruce Lee. So, here we gave SY questions. Solve yourself questions. Practice, practice, and practice. If you have any doubts, you can call me without hesitation. Don't forget to practice. Practice makes you a prodigy. Thank you for listening.